Hey there, I am Mckenna Schiller, and today we are checking out the community of Hawkstone. We're about 30 minutes south of the Tampa Bay area, and this beautiful home behind me is a Westbay, and it is the Virginia Park model. Let's take a look.
Hey, and my name is Brett Schiller. I'm going to be behind the camera today, so if you hear a random voice talking to you, that's me. Together, Mckenna and I are the Schiller Group. We are your Tampa new home guides, helping you find the best real estate all around the Tampa Bay area. So let's go check out this house.
Welcome in. So this is the Virginia Park model, and we're looking at about 3,500 square feet and 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, so just a really good size home.
3-car garage.
3-car garage, yes sir.
With a den as you walk in. French doors, glass, wainscoting going around, I like it.
Yeah, so, and if you're unfamiliar with Westbay Homes, they are a semi-custom builder. So what that means is you can pick a specific floor plan, you can, kind of do some changes here and there, add some bedrooms, make things into bonus rooms and such. And then you also have full liberty for all of your finishings. So things like countertops, cabinets, flooring, paint colors, all of that, you can go to their design center and make selections.
One thing I will say too, I've seen this model in quite a few different communities around Tampa. So we're in Hawkstone. It's a lot of people are coming to Hawkstone because it's in a great school district. You're right outside of Fishhawk, which was a huge master plan community. Now this community is solely developed by Westbay, and it's done really well. They've sold really well in here. But if you're interested in another community, you could build the same floor plan elsewhere as well.
Yes, definitely. And
Look
this
at all
is
the blues.
Such a fun kitchen. I know, I really love the blue. This backsplash is so interesting and unique. Another thing I really like too, if you've noticed, we have these cafe appliances in our home, but they did the matte finish, and it's just kind of fun. You kind of get that where it looks like it's part of your cabinet without having to spend tons of money, but it blends in, with the aesthetic. It looks really nice.
Yeah, if you've looked at a built-in fridge or a Sub-Zero fridge.
Yeah, you'll save thousands by just...
You don't want to spend $30,000 on a fridge.
Yes, yeah. So these look really nice, kind of give that seamless look. Yeah, definitely. So really nice space. I also love these sliding glass doors out to your pool area. So it gives lots of natural light in here. It just feels nice and bright.
And these open from the middle.
Yeah, let's take
So you can get both sides open, and in your winter months, you've got everything screened in, so you keep the bugs out. I would open both of these and just totally bring the outside in the house.
And if you're unfamiliar with Florida living, a lot of pools are screened in like this one. It just helps keep the bugs, the mosquitoes, the animals, everything out of your pool. So it just helps keep it clean. Also has a sun protection barrier as well. I believe it's SPF 30. So if you have a home with a great view on the water, this is just stunning.
It's hot in Florida.
I know. Let's get back into the AC.
So over on this side of the house, you've got a bedroom down. So this is your single bedroom that would be downstairs. It'd be great for a guest room, or if you have anybody staying for a longer period of time. This is kind of nice. They got a little nook over here for a table or a desk. And then of course you get a walk-in closet. And then the bathroom that we walked right by over here would double as your pool bath. Got the door coming straight in from the pool.
Oh, and this is so pretty. I love these tiles.
Yeah, that's really nice.
It's really fun. I really like it. And yeah, the door is right here. So this is a really convenient pool bath, for guests to flow into. And then let's take a look upstairs. So this floor plan has the majority of the bedrooms, including the master bedroom upstairs. And it also has a really great bonus room space. Look at this. I love how they've carried the blues throughout the house. It's very, very coordinated.
They thought about it.
They sure did.
like the natural brick accents you have coming in.
Yeah, this is a large space up here. So a great space for kids, for your family to come up here and play.
Yeah, we have something similar like this in our house, and it's nice to have that additional living space. We've got little kids, so it's where we keep all the toys. They can kind of make that their realm.
Yes.
And we can somewhat keep the downstairs nice when we have guests or people that come over.
So let's take you into the master bedroom here. So coming to our left, we have the bedroom space. So this is a great size room. We have a king bed with 2 large nightstands, and we still have room for a seating area over here by the windows. And you just really have a beautiful view. If you have a lot on the water, these second bedroom master suites give a great view. And then into our master suite bathroom. This is beautiful in here. They've kind of done a fun granite, which usually we see quartz everywhere right now just because it's kind of that white light. But this is actually granite in here. Carrying those blues in kind of gives it the marble effect. A nice soaking tub, more floor to ceiling tiles. Just really a nice elevated feel in here. All right, we'll take you to the rest of the bedrooms upstairs. Here we are in this one. And another walk-in closet. So one thing about Florida is we don't have basements. So all of your storage will have to go either in your home, some people put it in their garage. So I love seeing large closets because that just helps with storage. Now this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Wow, so much space here. This is nice and fresh and clean feeling. Lots of space for these adjoining bedrooms.
Yeah, I like their choice in cabinetry. It's got some detail, but yet subtle.
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, these rooms are a really nice size.
So 2 bedrooms off the Jack and Jill, and then we run into...
Then your laundry room is over here. And this is nice. You've got some cabinets in here, a nice built-in sink, and quartz countertops as well. So, and then here is our final bathroom and bedroom. So again, kind of carrying that same blue. You see a lot of the blue in the tiles and the wall color. Kind of gives nice coastal vibes. So I'm liking it. It's a beautiful home.
So if you want to find out more about homes like this one or about the community, that's what we're here for. I'm going to throw our number on the screen. Anytime you can contact us. We work with our own clients, service them directly, so happy to answer questions for you about Hawkstone or more about this model, and look forward to talking to you soon.